How to add YouTube link on Instagram story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube link on Instagram story. First, launch the YouTube app on your phone. Next, go to the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap View Channel to view the channel. Now, hit the pen icon to edit the account info. In the channel settings, you will see the channel URL and then copy the link. Next, go to the Instagram app on your phone. Here, go to the Profile tab at the bottom and tap on your profile to add a story. After that, tap on the sticker icon and you will see the links option. Then, tap on it and add the YouTube link here. Now tap on Done, shown at the top. In the end, you will see the YouTube link on your Instagram story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.